Hi guys, how you doing? Today we are going to learn something really cool. This is just basic, but if you want to learn how to do this will be on my website. I'm going to talk about. I should have shut that window. You know what? I'm gonna let it because obviously there's been a lot of police sirens every 5 minutes. Crazy out there, but here we are going to learn something good. So in this video, we are going to focus on animation, and then in the next video, I'm going to talk about video gaming. So today I'm going to talk about animation explosions and I'm going to show you how it's all done. So if you want to learn how to do it, this will be on my website so you guys can learn how to do this stuff yourself.
We'll have to use the detonator.
Not that. I beg of you, sire. Think of what it will do to your approval ratings.
Button?
I don't have it. I must have left it in the castle.
Look what I found!
No! No! Oh, no!
So I'm going to talk about it and I'm going to show you some clips and then we will come back here and I will just tell you, yeah, that's it, and I'll see you in my next master series. But this is good because I want to talk about explosions. I love animation explosions and it's fun to do if you know how to do it. And this is the reason why I want to share with you so you guys can learn how to do this stuff as well. So we are just going to go through some clips of explosions and then I'm going to show you how it's all done. So I'm not going to show you here, I'm just going to talk about it, show you some cool explosions, and yeah, I'm going to do it and show you how to do it, and then you can do it yourself and experiment and try some things out. But here, this is just basic, so we're just gonna have a good time, talk about it, look at all these cool animation explosions. This is just basic, so I'm going to show you some clips and then I'm going to talk about it, and yeah, that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make notes, put this on my documents so I can say, yep, I'm going to show them how to do this, and I'm going to put it just here. Well, not here, but I'm going to put it in my documents so you guys can have a look and then you can practice. And when you have a one-to-one with me, I will show you how it's done as well. So there's going to be some cool things coming your way. There's some videos I can't wait to talk about. But here, we are just going to talk about animation explosions first, and then we will talk about other cool things in animation, art, or sound effects. It could be anything in art and animation or video gaming, but here we are just going to focus on animation, and then in my next video we are going to talk about video gaming. Hi guys, yes, so we are going to start with the first animation explosion. There's a few clips that I'm going to go through. There's quite a few, but I just want to pick the best ones that I like, that cool to explore, so I can see what is going on and then I can share with you how it's all done. Well, I want you guys to look at these animation clips and maybe you might find something that's going to help you to just to play around with, because these are cool animation explosions that are cool to learn. And yes, if you want to learn from the masters, these are cool animation explosions that you should look into. There's going to be 3 different takes. The first take is the normal speed. Then we slow it down to 50 and then slow it down, really down to 20, so we can see what is going on in these scenes. So this is the first animation clip that I'm going to share with you now. It's in normal speed right now. So now we're going to slow it down to 50 and then you can see. So this scene is something for you guys to have a look and see what you can find in this video that's going to help you do some cool explosions. So we are going to slow it down to 20 and I want you to pay attention to everything in the scene to pick out something that you didn't see. Yeah, pay attention to every detail going on in the scene. By the way, I can't play the sound with the video because I will get a copyright strike. So I'm going to play it safe here. And yeah, obviously we don't need no sound. We just need to look at the animation. So yeah, that's the reason why there's no sound. But you don't need to hear no sound. It's the detail we want to see. Okay, now we are going to move on. And then we are just going to watch it normal speed, and then we are going to slow it down to 50 and then slow it down to 20. So let's just look at the clips now. If you have any other animation explosions that you want to share with the community, so this would be a great time to come together. It's always a great time to come together to learn some new skills. So yeah, leave a comment down below and let me know if you got some cool suggestions for animation explosions to look into. And now we are going to move on to the next clip. I will slow it down to 50 and then 20, and then we are slowing it down to 50, and then you can see a lot of things flying off. And this is for you guys to have a look and study. So I try not to talk too much, but I want you guys to have a look and then you can question it. So, you know, turn the volume down if I'm talking over this. But yeah, I just want to show you what is going on so you guys can study. If you have any other animation explosion scenes that you want me to explore, so we can talk about it and share this with others so they can learn how to do this. So let's move on to the next clip. Yeah, this is the best way to do it, just to show you the animation clips and then we move on to the next. So I'm going to show you, I'll be quiet, and then we'll move on to the next, and that's it. So I want you to have a look, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you have any other animation explosions that we should explore, please do not hesitate, because we need guys like you and girls as well, the ladies who animate as well. Beautiful, look at that, boom, boom, look at the slow down. So now I'm slowing it down. Let's slow it down really slow. Yeah, I can't really play no sound with this, and it sucks because I really want to, because the sound goes well with oh, I love this scene. So yeah, let me just move on to the next scene, and now let's slow it down to 50. So let's slow it down to 20. Cool, small. It's easy to do this kind of stuff. Look at this, boom. And this is the reason why I want to see more stuff like this on my TV screen or on my flat screen TV. Yeah, I love this scene. Oh, this is great. Look at this out. Look at this smoke effect. Look at the timing and look at all the little bits and pieces flying off. You know what? It's funny. It's like, it's really, really easy to do. Look at it's just, well, at first everything is done traditional, and then like you need to create the art stuff and use different software to give it more flavor, After Effects, and depending if you're using 3D stuff, there's a lot of different things that you need to do. There's a lot of layers to give that explosion effect, but it just gives more feel to the scene. Check the scene out. Douche, look at the slowdown on that. Oh, crazy stuff going on in that scene. And this scene is crazy. I just love it. I love it. I just look at the, I just want you guys to have a look at this stuff, man, because I don't see this stuff anymore, and this is the reason why I want to show you how it's all done, because I've been teaching myself how to do this stuff well, over the years, and never told anyone about it, but I keep myself to myself. Hopefully this video is basically for you guys to analyze certain things that's going to help you to make some cool animation explosions, and to understand what art materials that they were using, learn some updated skills, and use some old skills that are still good, and you still can use these old skills that they were using, but obviously now everything is digital. Akira is the best place to learn some animation explosions, man, because I don't see this stuff anymore. Yeah, I would add sound to these animation clips, but YouTube is a bit bleh. And I'm going to do it on my live stream and stuff, so I can actually show you guys what is going on with the sound effects to give it more flavor. You need that explosion sound to give it that weight to it. So yeah, I'm sorry that I can't play the sound, but I hope this video has helped you, and it's basic. But if you want to learn how to do this, it will be on my website. Not the animation clips, just showing you how it's all done, using the video footage here, and then I'm going to create it, showing you how it's all done from different versions. But yeah, I'm going to end it here, and I will see you in a different video. And don't forget, if you have any suggestions for animation explosions, please leave a comment down below, like this video, share this to a mate that will help you, who is helping you, if you got any mates that are real. And yeah, let me know if this video is useful, and that's my video for you. And yeah, take care. So yeah, that's my animation explosions video for you, and I'm going to keep it simple here. And if you want to learn how to do this, then this will be on my website. So I'm going to make notes of this so I can put this up there so you guys could see me do it, and you guys could learn how to do it. And I will just, yeah, move on to the next video so you guys can learn that as well. So that's it, and I see you when I see you, like Ocean 11. Take care, look after your health, look after yourself, and surround yourself with good people that want you to win. So it's your time, and yeah, this is not the time to watch cowboys eating pudding. This is your time to do some good things. So I don't know, that just came out in my mind. So I don't know why I was thinking of that South Park reference, but yeah, that's a good time for you to do some work. Have a good one. See ya, bye.